In this video, we'll show you what to do if your default Google Chrome search engine keeps changing to Yahoo. So to fix this, first click on this three dot icon in the top right corner. Now scroll down and then click on settings. In here, you will need to look for this search engine option. Simply click here. Now here, as you can see, my current search engine is set to Yahoo. Now to change it, click on this manage search engines and site search. Now here you should see Google right here at the top. Simply click this three dot icon and then select make default. Now when I go to search anything, Google is my default search engine. So as you can see, it is now using Google instead of Yahoo. Now another thing you need to do is head back to this settings menu and remove all the other search engines that you don't plan on using. So I'll just go ahead and remove Bing and everything else. So what this will do is prevent you from accidentally switching to another search engine that you don't plan on using. Now the next thing you need to do is scroll down here and then click on extensions. Now here you should see all the installed extensions. Now if you don't recognize any extension that you remember installing, simply go ahead and remove it. I've also heard people complain about McAfee extension as it changes the search engine to Yahoo. So make sure to remove all the unwanted extensions or the ones that you don't recognize. Finally, the last thing you can do is click on this reset settings option. Now click on this reset settings to their defaults. Now finally click on this reset settings option to confirm. So what this will do is reset all the Google Chrome settings and fix any problems that may be causing Yahoo to switch back to the default search engine. However, if nothing else works, your last option is simply to head to the settings app. Now go to apps. Now go to installed apps. Now if you see any app that you don't recognize or remember installing, simply click on this three dot icon next to it and then uninstall it. If you see McAfee here and you don't really use it, make sure to uninstall it as it can change your default search engine. Another app that can change your default search engine is Quick Privacy Search. So make sure to uninstall all the apps that you don't recognize from here and your issue should be resolved. If you find this video useful, please don't forget to like and subscribe to Glitch Guru.